Hey YouTube, Jason here with DayTradingFearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And real quick, I have a trade that's actually setting up right now that I kind of like. What the trade is I'm looking for a bounce back up to this value area high level. And we're going to look to short up at the 31 even 0.50. Okay, so essentially right around here. I think price will probably bounce back up to fill in the market profile. We actually have a nice P formation starting to form. We have a little bit of excess up here, a lot of excess down here. So I'm looking for price to just kind of churn right now. Come back and start to fill in this area. This is why I call this market profile one of my favorite kind of the holy grail of trading. This is telling you what's happening under the hood. As you can see, they're starting to fill out the profile, because how else do they make a perfect bell-shaped curve like this, right? Also, value area is at the 3101 level, so I'm going to front run that. I think what I'm looking for is essentially price to come here and then pull back, right? Come here and then pull back and churn and just go sideways for a while. So let's see how this trade actually ends up. So we're starting to rise, right? Look at this. We have resistance above us. So let's see if we could get a little more. Again, just looking. I got 2 contracts on, risking 1.5 points to make 1 point. Here's our fill. So we just want to see a little back and fill right here for price to come back down and again touch and then pull back. So here we go. Came 3 ticks. And again, if it gets to my stop, I'm okay with it. Again, it's all about risk management. Here we go, and I'm all out. 8 ticks, $100. Again, using all the tools I teach you in all of my videos. So I hope this is helpful for you guys. Again, just looking for these quick little pops, using my Holy Grail market profile as a guide to actually enter trades really good. I hope this stuff helps you. Everything that I do is to try and help you guys become better traders, things like that. So as always, thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, anything like that, make sure you put them in the comments, like, subscribe. And sorry, this one's really short, but it was right to the point and direct, and hopefully you found some education from this. Again, make sure you smash that like button if you found this video helpful. Talk to you soon. Thank you.